Okay, moving on to track number 3 from the album Into the Outdoor. We have Fool in the Rain. Actually, I see it a lot on Instagram and on stories, so I try to skip it. So I think it's popular and it's beautiful, so I'm excited.
Me too. Here we go.
Fool in the Rain. Yeah, I know the beat.
Oh, okay. Began with it. Okay.
He started with Baby.
Even the piano.
Like a star that can't wait for tonight. I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. What can I see tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts burning, and the feel of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much, really yearn. Why don't you show up and make it alright? Yeah, it's alright.
It's alright.
And if you promised your love so completely, and you said you would always be true, swore that you never would leave me, baby, whatever happened to you? And you thought it was only in me, and you wished all your dreams would come true. Hey, it ain't the first time, believe me, baby, I'm standing here feeling blue.
The drumming.
Now I will stand in the rain on the corner. I watch the people go shuffling downtown. Another 10 minutes, no longer. And then I'm turning around, round. And the pump on the floor is over. My heart sinks to the ground. And the storm that I thought would blow over, that's the light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Light of the love that I found. Oh, that I found.
Offside. Red card.
Goal.
Okay. Hepa, hepa. Wow. Samba. I need to dance. Okay.
Man, they are beautiful, but they are
My
not
plenty
them.
is beautiful.
But they are not them. Like, really, I mean, no,
I love
you
Robert.
know what? It will come out wrong when I say it's not them. No, like,
You
have
said
the
it's
talent.
not them? I wasn't listening.
yeah,
What did you
it's
say?
not them.
How? How?
No,
Explain,
okay.
elaborate.
Yeah, I have to. I
Now
really
I
have
came
to.
back to earth.
I really.
I
have
was
to.
with plenty, yeah.
I mean, okay. First of all, Jimmy Page.
Okay.
Where has he been?
There was, okay.
Okay.
I
you
wrote-
don't have that power thing that
It
you
doesn't
get
have to
from-
be powerful the whole time
I
and
get
heavy,
that, I
okay?
get that,
It's not Achilles' last stand. Wait,
I get that, but I mean, okay.
did you love
Robert.
this? Okay.
Robert. Wait. I gotta talk about all of them.
Talk.
Robert Plant.
Talk.
Robert Plant. He sounded gorgeous here, okay? But
Okay.
he wanted it to be. He wanted maybe to be like playful, but he sounded playful and dramatic at the same. Like you can't feel with him. It always has to be dramatic, you know.
Okay.
And here he tried to make. They all tried to make a playful track, you know.
It is playful
bit
and
romantic.
sketchy and
Yeah, but like
smoothly, yeah.
he can't help but sound like that, Robert. But it's beautiful.
Which is good.
Beautiful. Then you have JPJ, the beautiful thing.
But you
he
said
did.
it's not their usual.
Yeah, I mean
music.
they all did beautifully,
Okay.
but
What's the problem?
end product is not Led Zeppelin.
It is they are experimenting, okay?
Yeah.
Especially the middle Latin samba section.
Like that.
I wanted to dance, but I
Yeah,
won't
but
stand.
wait.
But
I talked about all three members. Wait, I don't. I
and the
don't want to
drummer
forget.
and Bonzo.
R.I.P.
You didn't
R.I.P.
mention
My
Bonzo.
my eternal friend and
You love Bonzo.
companion.
He's
I
your
love,
favorite.
I love you. I love you.
Moby
man.
Dick is number 10 for you.
You remember? Yeah.
They remember
but-
too.
Yeah.
Um,
Beautiful man.
yeah. Bonzo is unreal
Bonham.
in this one,
He-
especially at first.
He did his
But there
thing.
was a section.
No, I mean even the tempo when he played
At
like
minute
the way
3.
you take it up and put it and bring it down again and like I can't
I
talk
loved it.
about
I
it. You
loved
have to
it.
hear it too.
Okay, wait, just.
It's not that. Okay, yeah, like this is legendary.
Don't you like the transition?
I
here?
do. I thought
Okay.
I just told
Actually,
you
Jimmy
that I love
Page.
it.
Um,
You're
the
looking
solo
for
was
Jimmy
in the last song, Jimmy Page, not this one.
Which one?
The solo,
Yeah.
not this one.
No.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
I was dazed and confused. I
Yeah.
thought it was in this one.
No.
My brain is not braining today.
But you see what I mean? I mean, they are beautiful. I really love
Actually-
it. Don't get me wrong. I love it. But all I'm saying is that
I understand.
it is not them.
But Jimmy Page and Bonzo
It's like Leonardo da Vinci
didn't.
painting a caricature. This
Okay,
one.
they didn't contribute in this album as much as the previous albums. So it's mostly
Until
Plant
now, yeah.
and Jonesy. You know,
Yeah.
that's why it's not guitar heavy.
Yeah, you're right. You're
because
right.
they were
Actually,
dealing
they
with
shown,
addiction.
They shown here and Bonham and this one specifically.
Yeah, so you won't see a lot of Jimmy solo.
We still have 4 more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hot dog.
Maybe we will have a little bit of Jimmy shredding or
I'm not sure.
yeah, me too. But like I'm loving
Yeah.
it. I'm loving it really. Yeah.
Hot
now,
dog?
what do we have now after
Hot dog.
hot dog? Okay. We're gonna be doing hot dog then. See you there.